If you want to permanently delete your Roblox account on mobile, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it, step by step. First, open the Roblox app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap the three dots icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to open the Settings menu. Now, scroll down a little and tap on Settings. After that, go to Privacy and Content Restrictions. Inside this section, you'll see the option called Account Deactivation and Deletion. Tap on it. Next, tap on Initiate to start the Roblox account deletion process. After confirming your account details, your Roblox account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. Just make sure you really want to remove the account, because this process may permanently delete your Roblox data, profile, and progress. And that's basically how to delete a Roblox account permanently on mobile.